The prophet teach the truth with figurative language. Okay, I want you to tell me this. When you're a prophet, he says, Allah will give you endless penis. I want you to tell me, what is this? What is the endless penis stand for? I'm going with you. You said this is metaphorical. Allah, the prophet, he teach using some words, blah blah blah. Okay, so when Allah he promised you endless penis, can you explain to us what does that mean? What do you think? I'm waiting for your answer. You keep giving me, like okay, we got it, parables, but this is not parable. He says he will give you endless penis and a vagina fit for that. Now go ahead, explain to us what does that mean. I'm waiting for you. This is one of the reasons I will not convert to Islam. I'm scared. I mean, did you watch this movie about those fish who eat anything go in the river, in the Amazon River? So imagine you in the penis go to the Amazon. You don't know where is the end of it. It's endless. And then those fish, they start eating the hell of it. And crocodile, and like all kind of stuff. And the elephant step on it, and the pig piss on it, and the dog piss on it, and the ant chew in it. Endless penis. Now go ahead, tell me what the endless penis present. Mr. Metaphorical, go ahead. Suddenly everything in Islam is metaphorical. When the Muslim guy, he died, and one of the Muslims, he said he is not dead. They asked him, how you know? He said, for if you place your finger in his anus, you will notice it is warm. And then everyone in the funeral placed his finger in the anus of the Muslim. Was that metaphorical, or it was a real funeral and real dead man and real anus, everybody finger it? I mean, look at the scientific way to find out who is dead, who is not. You put your finger in the anus of the guy. And imagine now the guy, he come back to life like he's not dead. And then he found out that 3,000 abdool from Gaza, they put their finger in his anus when he was dead. He would prefer to die again. He's just been raped by 3,000 fingers. Like, isn't it enough? 1, 2, 3? No, everybody in the funeral put his finger there. By the way, if you are dead, you can go to San Francisco. There's many, there from the Muslim community, the LGBTQ. They will be so happy to help you with this test. Any Abdul? Who's a Muhammadan would like to debate me and wipe the floor with me? I heard you Muslims saying that Christian Prince is very easy to debate, but yet nobody want to debate me. Huh? Not a single Abdul? Why it's so dry today? I'm not sure about what you speak of. I have not studied everything in Islam. Yeah, Rayan, like supposedly you know anything about Islam. Give me a break, my friend. Hey, trust me, if you know anything about Islam, you will be in the stage right away. But because you know nothing. Otherwise, jump. Here we go. I will promise you, I will speak nice to you. Is that correct? Is that fair, guys? If this guy Rayan, he join us, I will speak nice to him. I promise you. Very nice. Unusual. My mom, she will not recognize me even then. Like, she will not say, this is not my son. Jump, go ahead, come to the stage. Everybody will see in 2 seconds that you know nothing about your religion. Even your God do not know anything about his religion. I try to be nice, by the way, all the time. Yeah. Like I'm nice always, like like my mom, she is making baklava. I come like, so, hey mom, how you doing? Good morning. You know. Okay. So I will bring your baklava with you. I will be very nice to you. Any Abdul? Who is a brave Muslim? I hope I'm not insulting you Muslims, because if I say smart Muslim, they get offended. Stupid Muslim, they get offended. Potato get offended. Doesn't matter what you say, they get offended. Those people get offended from anything. Especially when you read the Quran for them or the Hadith. Anyone? Man, that's really bad. We are out of customers. Guys, we are going to file for bankruptcy. Chapter 17. Muslim, do you know what chapter 17 is about? I mentioned chapter 17, this is bankruptcy. Do you want to see? Let me show you. Look at the bankruptcy of your prophet. Any Muslim can tell us what happened here? Is that really a Quran? The text is not even 15 words in Arabic. The translation is like a book. What is this? What the verse here is saying? Ali Muhammadan. Oh, you cannot see? Sorry guys, you cannot see. Yeah, people in Discord, they can see. Do you know why you cannot see? Because Shaitan, he did piss in your ears. And that make you blind. Metaphorically. Any Abdul? Who's Abdul? Want to explain to us this verse here? What is this? Change the translator, just to show you how stupid this book is. Glorified be he who carried his servant. Really, it says carried the servant? It says that? It says he carried his servant? Where? Asra is carried? Looks like this is New Arabic. His servant by night from the inviolable place of worship to the far distance place of worship. What is that? What is the far distance place of worship, Muslims? Who they were talking about? Who's this verse is about? The chapter of bankruptcy. Any Abdul? I mean, even Ultimate Fard never show up again. I hope he did not he did not die. Anyone? Very serious, stupid Quran. Open it, challenge to Abdul. Anyone? You choose the chapter you want to talk about and we go for it. Any chapter. And I will show you that your Quran is a bankrupt book. This chapter, other chapter, anything you want. Anyone? Hmm? What's wrong today? Okay, listen, Muslims. If you join us on the stage, Allah will reward you with a lot of banana. You know, when the Quran promises banana, I felt like, you know what, I am in Walmart again. Banana in the heaven, brother? I mean, how heaven can be heaven without banana? I mean, Muhammad, come on. Lord have mercy. وطلح منضود. Oh. My keyboard is switched by itself. I put it Arabic, it switch English. I put it English. I have a genie here. All right, now it is Arabic. وطلح منضود. Look at this beautiful verse. What is that, a translation? Look, every Muslim, even they change the fruit name. Look, look. And the clusterated plantains. What the heck is that? Change the translator. Aha, now we are talking. The Banana Republic. What do you think, Muslims, about Allah promise us banana in the heaven? Where is Rayyan? Is that metaphorical banana, Rayyan?